today, well, actually yesterday, I finally got my Boxycharm. And it takes so long to get to me from 200 miles away. It actually ships in my state from just up the road, the interstate. The interstate runs right through my town, not even a mile away. But it does have to travel past me to the UPS station, and then travel back up 20 miles to me. And anyone that don't know, it is a $21 a month subscription. You get 5 full-size items. But if you live in Connecticut, Florida, or Georgia, you're going to pay more, because in those 3 states, if it ships from there, you have to pay tax. And when I look, I think I pay my county tax and my state tax. So I end up paying about $22.73. So basically I pay $23 a month for my subscription. So this is the box it comes in. And I checked and mine weighed 0.8 pounds. People like to know that. I'm not sure why. Does it matter? But anyway, that's what mine weighed. So when you open it up, it comes like this. And oh, the card's different. It's an open up card. It says eye candy, and then it lists what we got. So the first thing I see, which is on top, is this called a Desi, maybe, or that's what I think. And it is a high definition liquid lipstick. And if it is going to be one of those that dry down, I'm probably not going to like it. But my sister likes matte lipstick, so I may give it to her, because I was showing her one at Christmas, and she said, I like this, kind of pointed to her lips, and she had on matte. Oh, it's a pretty color. It's got a flat doe foot. That makes them easier to put on. I don't like my lips today. Anyway. Ridiculous, isn't it? I'm looking in the monitor at my lips. Okay, and so the next thing I see is Dr. Brandt. And I knew we was getting this because I looked at spoilers. I love Dr. Brandt. They have a moisturizer. I can't remember. It was eye cream that had apple T cells in it or something. That stuff was the bomb. I keep thinking maybe we'll get it in this, but this is called Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. Oh, let's see if it's got a smell. Oh, it's got that hydrogen peroxide smell. So it's not smelly good. Oh, I see the next thing I like, but I'm going to leave it for last. And then we got the Brow Gal Instant. Oh, I'm going to like this. Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. I've been using, I got crazy brow today. I went a little ham. I'm not going to be able to use it. If anybody wants to swap with me, because I really want to use this. This is number 3. And it's light. It's blonde, basically. Let me see if I can, where did the color go? Light hair number 3. And this is the color I will gladly swap with anybody who wants to swap with me. Otherwise, I got to give it a giveaway. And so the next thing is, oh, I was hoping I would get Tarte Pro Glow. I refuse to say this word. It irks me. It really does. I've looked at their products and I thought, I'm not buying it. That word just gets on my nerves. So this is Pro Glow in the color Stunner. This is the tube, and I bet it's going to be too dark for me. There it is. Can you see on my freckly hand? Oh, it may not be. Oh, it's pretty. You see? Here it is. You can't see it. It's very close to my skin tone with just a little bit of gold shimmer. I might like that. 'Cause I think, like, if I use the tanning stuff on my face again, I enjoyed that. I'm going to tell y'all. After I washed it off, you know, it came off and it was a little splotchy, you know, like self-tanning stuff will do. And I scrubbed it off, and the next day I had my makeup on. My 14-year-old said, "You look like a ghost." And I have makeup on, so he knew the difference. But if I use that and use this, I could go without makeup, I think. I'm going to enjoy that, I think. And so this is what oh yeah. This is the palette I wanted too. The Element of Surprise. And this is from Pop Color. I've never had anything. I've always wanted to order their Shock shadows. But just never have. I'm trying to figure out how to open it. The colors are on the back here. It makes me wonder if they're not going to be named on the inside every time I see that. Oh, I didn't say what the prices were. I'll tell you. Oh, yeah, see, they're not on the inside. But this is a pretty palette. Look at there. Gorgeous. Let's swatch some. Swatch that one. This one. This one. And the pink one. And so those are the swatches. Oh, they swatch pretty good too. Go back and forth over that. Isn't those pretty? I'm not going to swatch all of them. Beautiful. And I didn't say the prices. So the Pro Glow is $29. This Dr. Brandt, it is very expensive stuff, but it is so good. It's $47. This tinted brow gel is $22. I'm serious. If somebody got darkest brown and has blonde hair and wants the blonde, I want to trade. Because I wanted this. I seen this in when somebody else's unboxing. And then the lipstick is $24. So what is that up to be? Let's see. So this box is $138 worth of products. For me, for $22.73. So, I mean, that's pretty good for $22.73. And for anybody who doesn't live in Connecticut or Georgia, $21. Yeah. I was so excited about the getting a ColourPop palette. Yeah, I like this. Is a good box. The only thing that I'm disappointed in is they sent me blonde of me. Yeah, that's my box. I like it. I want to trade. If any of my peoples in my little group want to trade, you didn't get the right color, I want to trade. Otherwise, this is going to go in a giveaway. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Those of you who are new here, welcome. Those of you who aren't subscribed, please click that subscribe button. It's on the left. And give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. It helps me out a whole lot. It gets me seen. The more likes I get, the more I'll be seen. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.